My name's Jeff Sim. I'm the Head of Nature Reserves for Staffordshire Wildlife Trust. We're here today at Tucklesholme Nature Reserve. Tucklesholme is one of our newest nature reserves. It opened to the public in 2019. It's a former gravel quarry, and up to 2019 it was actually working as a gravel quarry, which is quite deep in some places. The Trust, since 2019, has been doing quite a lot of work installing a network of footpaths, some bird hides, some screens, and also making the area better for wildlife. So Tucklesholme is one of a series of quarries all the way down the valley of the River Trent, which have huge potential to be a massive interlinked series of wetlands, which could be great for birds and other wildlife as well. So the specific birds we're aiming Tucklesholme at are birds which nest on the ground, such as waders, so little ring plovers, lapwing, which have the distinctive peeweet call as they plummet out of the sky in their breeding time. And in the reed bed areas, we're looking at birds such as sedge warblers and reed warblers and reed bunting, but also bittern, who need these shallow, wet areas full of reed bed. So Tucklesholme is great for local people. The valley of the River Trent here is very compressed. You've got the A38 dual carriageway, which is a very busy road. You've got the main cross-country rail line as well, and there's a lot of development going on, so lots of big factories springing up, lots of new housing estates. So green spaces like Tucklesholme are, as well as being great places for wildlife, are really good places for local people to come out and enjoy peace and quiet and see really special nature as well, living on their doorstep. We're really grateful to the South Staff's PEBBLE Fund for funding some key work here at Tucklesholme. Behind me you can see a constructed nest area for sand martins. So sand martins come into the country, they migrate at the start of spring from Africa to the UK to breed. And they need these vertical sandy cliff faces, and there aren't many of them around in the UK now. So to compensate for that, we've created this vertical slope which has got nest tubes in it, and the nest tubes are filled with sand, so when the sand martins come back in the spring, they'll be able to burrow in, and hopefully we'll have baby sand martins this time next year. PEBBLE has also funded a fantastic bird hide, which is all access, and it's going to offer amazing views over both lakes here at Tucklesholme. We're really grateful. It's quite large, and it's in a good central location, and it's just off the main access track, so that those in wheelchairs and buggies will be able to go up the ramp and enjoy looking at our wildlife here. Tucklesholme, it's open, it's free to visit, it's easily accessible. It's just off the A38, just south of Burton-on-Trent, and there's a reserve car park open during daylight hours. So as I said, it's just the start of what we want to do here, but thanks to the PEBBLE Fund we've done a lot, and hope you enjoy your visit when you come to Tucklesholme.